can't trust a hoe, you know how I go. I ain't crazy, I keep the phone on the Nintendo. You can't play me, niggas bitches love me, wanna fuck me, that's why they hate me. Escaped death twice, so I guess I got time to take me.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video guys, I will be showing you how to fix your screen recorder that is not working, no sound, keep on corrupting, everything just going wrong for you. So it's gonna be simple and easy. Let's get right into it. First thing first, open up the settings. Okay, so what you wanna do is scroll down just a little bit, tap on the search bar, search up screen time. Okay, tap on screen time. Then after that, scroll down just a little bit, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on content restrictions, scroll down to the bottom, tap on screen recording, tap on don't allow. Once you're done turning off your device and powering it back on, go back into settings, scroll down, tap on the search bar, search up screen time, tap on screen time, tap on content privacy restrictions, tap on content restrictions, scroll down to the bottom, tap on screen recording, and make sure to press allow, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.